Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I have a very special presentation, and right here with me is the packages that I have received from China, and these um, AirPods earpods. Yeah, so these are earpods that we made as a consignment in the group. So if you can see, there are two boxes right here. So altogether there are 135 pieces in this box. I'm not gonna go in details about the prices, the shipping price and everything else, because I had communicated earlier when I was making this consignment. So if you want more details, you can come direct to my inbox. But I'm going to unbox this right here, and we see what's inside. So this consignment consists of about 10 people, and these 10 people um, in the group, we decided to order this as one. So yeah, that's the thing. And for the context, because I know there's a lot of people who are expert in these things, they'll start talking about these things. So these were very cheap, very cheap, and they are good for business, because not everyone can afford original items. So we go for these ones. You cannot let me first remove this so that I can show you exactly what's inside. Okay, so let me just cut this open right here. So initially the supplier wanted, like, you can only buy a minimum of 100 pieces, which is the content that one box should hold. But in this case we had more than 150, so it means we had to get an extra box for the extra earpod. So as you can see right now, these are the earpods. If you can see, I don't know if I should open, but you can see these are earpods, not AirPods. These are earpods second generation, and they are type C. So these are good quality earpods. They are not the original AirPods. If you ask the price of the original AirPods, you find it maybe around 4,000 each, and which can buy a whole lot of these things, So now this can sell maybe around 200, 180, 150, depends on how much you can get out of it. But those who bought these items know for sure that they will make something out of it. So I'll give you an example. If you have 10 of these and you sell them at 150, you can make 1,500. So now calculate, including the shipping that you did and everything, then it can tell you how much you can make out of this consignment. So these are the earpods. So in here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 24. So these are 24. There are 24 pieces in here. And let me just put this. And let me just open the other one, just for the sake of this video. Let me open this big one. I don't know how I'll do it, but I'll just cut through. I'll just cut through this. So I'll just check what's in here quickly and call it a day. So yeah, so this is what's in here. The same kind of AirPods right here. So thank you very much to everyone who participated in this consignment, and hopefully we can do this more in the future to help each other grow our businesses. Yeah, so
don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also share to your friends. And yeah, keep on watching and learning new things on this channel. Bye bye.